All right, so you're logged into the Twitter, and now what? Our Twitter chat is going to be taking place at CSU BTED. So I'm going to type in up here, hashtag CSU BTED, and that stands for Teacher Education. Hashtag is where we are going to be collecting everybody's responses. So if you remember, at means that it's a person or a user. A hashtag is a location where we're talking and storing our conversation. So here you can see a practice question, and then here it also talks about our who's going to be hosting this chat. Feel free to chat and talk to anybody. You don't have to just direct anything to me. We also have Holly Gonzalez and Dr. Altapamakian moderating this chat, and they will also have their students talking with us as well. So this is question one, and question one is a practice question. So this is just a tutorial. You'll see that question one starts with Q1. So you're going to respond to question one with A1 with your answer. So let's see. I will respond here. I can click it as a reply. That's one option. So I can put A1, and let's say the question asked for my favorite movie. I will say, or my favorite EdTech tool. So I'll say my favorite EdTech tool is Rasma is my favorite EdTech tool is Tinkercad because you can use 3D models. Actually, I'm gonna put at Tinkercad because they actually have their own. And you can use 3D models in all subject areas. My favorite EdTech tool is Tinkercad because you can use 3D models in all subject areas. And I make sure I put that to hashtag CSUB TED, Teacher Ed. I could add a GIF. So I click on GIF there, and let's see, click something cool, boom, boom, boom. Yep, that works with me. My favorite EdTech tool is Tinkercad because you can use 3D models in all subject areas, and then I tweet it. Now, what's going to start happening is you're going to see this. You could see here top, latest, people. Top means it's going to be it's usually like the things that got tweeted out the most. So if you click on latest, you'll see what the latest things were in this section. So I have this here. Let's see this one. Sometimes it goes slow or it lags. So yeah, mine hasn't come up yet. It's just going slow. Oh, there you go. So my favorite EdTech tool is at Tinkercad because you can use 3D models in all subject areas. And voila. Now my next task is going to be to come in and start pointing or start responding to people. And you can respond to people. So if there's something that you saw that you like, so let's see. Very cool here. So this is from another class. I like it. And then I could also retweet it. And then when I retweet it, it's just like me kind of showing them love and sharing other things that I've seen people do that I like. So I like it, and I will retweet it. And it's pretty cool there. So that's the gist of it. How are you going to share this in your? How are you going to share this on your tech quest for the full points? So let's see here. Let me bring it up. The tech quest. You can make it a new page. I'm going to call this page. I'll call it Twitter chats. And let's see. I'm gonna add. Let's see the couple pieces that I had here. So I'm going to take some screenshots of mine. Here's one. I'll take this one here. You're going to be screenshotting your own, whatever it is that you're putting on your own. Let's see. One. Let's see. So that's a couple of them. Add some descriptors. CSUB. So this is a CSUB all course Twitter chat, and it's not all courses. It's going to be about 6 different courses that show up. Let's see. Normal text. It's not letting me make it bigger. Oh, we'll leave it like that. And then write a description. Talk about your experience with the Twitter chat. Who did you collaborate with? So I'll go ahead and you could add some more pictures there, but I'm going to go ahead and describe it. So this was our first cross-section Twitter chat. It was great to moderate the conversation with Dr. A and Holly Gonzalez. For me, as an educator, it was a good experience, and then blah, blah, blah. Talk about why it was a good experience and what I learned from it. You want to share a few sentences, tell us if you got something out of it or what you would like to see more out of it. So thank you very much. If you have any more questions, please reach out.